guys, welcome back to another product video for this Flex Stack Pack 3 drawers toolbox. I already had this toolbox for over a year now, and this thing holds all my tools nicely and neatly in this toolbox. So this is like a series of stackable boxes which you could put on top and keep on adding to those toolbox. So you have your 3 drawers here that you push up and you slide out. So you can see how wide and how big that these drawers are, that they could fit a full-size hammer here nice and neatly. I have all my tools here nice and organized. And then here, in all 3 drawers, you're able to set them as either compartments, because it comes with a lot of these little brackets here to separate them. So you can customize how you want your toolbox to be. So I have them separated so I can put my screws and all my small little parts in the second drawer. And then on the third drawer, you can even do it this way, where you have partial compartments where you put half big and then half small, which I have all my other compartments brackets here. So this is a great toolbox. It's heavy duty. You can even lock it so that way nobody will take it. If you're interested in buying this toolbox, I'm going to post a link in the description and you can buy it from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great toolbox. I like how you're able to keep on adding to this toolbox. So there's a support right here that you could attach something else on top of it and keep on adding to this toolbox. I also like how heavy duty these drawers are, that in order to open it, that you gotta press it up and it comes out. So if you ever need to move it and bring it places, you don't have to worry about the drawers opening up and then losing all your tools all over the place, because it has a nice little clip here to keep it nice and secure. And I like the 3 drawers, and I like how you're able to customize the size of the drawers that you want to make them using these little brackets here to separate the parts and the tools.